YouTube, this is LOTL. Today I'm going to propagate my succulent. Here I have Sedum Morganianum. I think it's commonly called Burro's tail or donkey's tail. I usually name all my indoor plant, and I call my Burro's tail Mr. Stubbs, after the American alligator who was rescued from a group of animal traffickers. Unfortunately, while Mr. Stubbs was illegally transported, he lost his tail. But using 3D scanning and printing technology, he's got a new prosthetic tail. When I saw this plant, it reminded me of Mr. Stubbs. So I call my Burro's tail Mr. Stubbs. In terms of care, it likes bright shade or partial sun. In direct sunlight, it will burn out. I keep mine by north-facing window indoors. As you can see, they have these chunky leaves and they're storing water in them. So if you water them too much, they can rot out. So I let the soil dry between watering. I've got these cute little bunny pots, and I'm going to divide my Burro's tail into 3. I'm using cacti soil because drainage is important for succulents. If you don't have cacti soil, mix some perlite into your regular potting mix. I wet the soil with some water. I'm filling the pot with soil up to top. I'm not packing the soil, but I'm filling it gently so the soil doesn't clump together like clay. This pot has a drainage hole and a tiny saucer to catch water. So that helps with drainage as well. I'm going to prepare all 3 pots, just like that. And the last one. To cut the sedum, usually you'd use a garden shears. I don't have one, so I'm going to use a regular pair of scissors. I'll cut it first. And I'm going to take a few leaves off to expose its stem. We'll use these leaves later, so don't throw them away. Make sure the stem is long enough to go into the soil. Maybe I'll take a few more off. And I'm just gently popping it into the soil. So I'm going to repeat the process 2 more times to get the cutting. And I'm just readjusting where the cutting is going to go. It's going to grow downward, so you want to make sure that it's kind of towards the bunny's ears. I'll spray the cuttings so the moisture can help them root well. With little individual leaves, I'll plant them in this pot. Burro's tail isn't necessarily the fast plant to grow, but this is another way to propagate it. I'll gently pop them into the soil. One by one. And that's it. I placed all 3 pots up on the shelf in my north-facing window. I may do an update video later to show you how they are doing. And if I do that, I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm curious if you ever name your plant, or if you do have Burro's tail, how you'd name them. Thank you for watching, and take good care of your plants.